On my face, because I have a slightly longer face, I want to blunt certain areas. So the reason why I went across just in almost a straight sweep here was to be able to kind of shorten my chin a little. I came down further from the temples this way to kind of shorten my forehead a little bit. On the nose, I wanted to not come in too close to the middle, so I kept farther out to the sides. And then with my cheekbones, they're naturally there. I can follow along underneath to really create a cut. What I did was more of a wash back here so that it's bringing everything forward. So the rule is light brings forward and dark recedes. Because my face is a little narrow and long, I took the Color Correct pencil in one, the light side, and I actually came out in a wide triangle so that I could square off my face. And you could see it brought this whole area forward. I also used it under the eye in a very wide triangle to bring forward that whole area, as well as brighten up the under eye. I used it on the brow bone to bring forward the brow bone. I also used it on the bow of my mouth to make the lips appear a little bit more fuller. I've used COLORME on the apples of my cheeks. I can also use it all over the lid, tip of the nose, and the chin. It's my all over, quick and easy, no makeup look. I love how the double duty DD gloss in red velvet adds just a little extra flush to my skin. My favorite thing to do after I've applied everything is to soften the application with this super dense, ultra soft blender brush by Posnick Cosmetics.